Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. And today, I'll be talking about how to humanize AI produced content. So whether it's an essay, your research paper, anything that you've generated with AI that you want to humanize so that your supervisor, won't, catch you when your essay or your research is, passed through this AI checkers. So if you want to, humanize your AI produced content, then this video is for you. Yeah. And don't forget, I'll be putting a bonus tip at the end of the video. So don't forget to, watch this video to the end so I don't miss the bonus tip. And the bonus tip is very important and it will help you. Yeah. So let's get straight into the video. So realizing here, I have opened my AI content detector, that's Killbot, and it's a very advanced AI detector, that's Killbot. So if you also want to detect AI in your content, then you can use Killbot. Yeah, if you don't have Turnitin, you can use Killbot. Yeah, so I have a text generated by ChatGPT. So let me paste the text in here. So this is the text I generated with ChatGPT. Now let's check for the AI percentage. Realizing here it is 100%, 100% generated by AI. So the content is 100% generated by AI. Yeah. So now the main reason we are here is to humanize the content. So open your browser and search for humanize AI. Search for humanize AI. Open your browser and search for humanize AI. Okay. So realizing here, Humanize AI Pro. Humanize AI Pro. So you visit this website. Yeah, so you'll be having an interface like this. This is the homepage of the Humanize AI, and this is the website humanizeai.pro. Yeah, so let me so you can just paste in the content in here and it will humanize it for you. But one thing about this app is that if you want to get the best out of this website, then you have to sign up. And with the sign-ups, it comes with a limitation. They will limit you on the words that you can, humanize. After that, they will tell you to go in for a premium plan. So you have to pay for before you can, humanize your content. So this is where the bonus tips comes in. Yeah. So to do that, I'll advise you, go to tempt mail. Yeah. And I know maybe with the content that you'll be humanizing, let's say for research work, you have a lot of content to humanize. So you can't be going for subscription. So go to temptmail.org, and this website will give you temporary emails to sign up to various websites. Okay, so let me delete this email and let me choose another email because I've used this email already. So now that you have your email, just copy the email and come back to the humanizeai.pro. So let's sign up. Let me paste in the email. So a link has been sent in there. Let me go back in there. Realizing here is the link. Okay, let me copy the code. Let me paste it in here. Okay, any password. Let me choose any password. Let me suggest a password. Yeah, so realize I've signed up and I'm in my account now. So this is the content that I want to humanize. And please note this, you realize in here, there are a lot of options in here. You have the academic, simple, flowing, formal, informal, expand. I would advise you to always stay with the standard, even if it's for your research work, your essay, or academic related. Use the standard. Yeah, for the academic related, when I realize when you use it, still Cobot will detect it as AI produced. So I don't advise using the academic. So I always advise using the standard. The standard will maintain the test style and the tone and everything in there. So there's the content in here. Humanize. So you just have to wait for just some seconds and the content to be humanized for you. Here, so this is the humanized content. So let's copy it. And please kindly make sure if you are using this for your research work or anything, sometimes this websites or apps, they change some technical words in there, so you have to make sure some of the technical words are okay in here. You can see alternative dispute resolution, ADR. That's my technical word in here, and the website maintain it, and that's fantastic. So let's copy the humanized content. Then now let's delete it. Let's delete our AI produced content, and let's paste this, and let's detect AI. If you're realizing here now, the percentage is now 0% of the test is likely AI. You realize 0%, so 100% human rating. As you can see in here, now it's 100%. Yeah, that's it. That's what we want to do. Now it's 100%. Yeah. So if you love this video, don't forget to hit subscribe button. Yeah, and I know you love it, as you can see in here. So that's the 100% for us. We have 100% human rating, and that's it. So there's your no AI detector will detect if the content is AI. Yeah, so that's it. And as I said, if you love this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll be coming up with more AI related content. So kindly hit the bell icon so I don't miss any content, and see you in the next video.